generation.
I'm Tyler Reed.
Matt Fiore.
Hi, I'm Mara Bottom.
Hi, I'm Thomas Ludwig.
I'm Anthony Thinkins.
Our objective was to build a device that would aid people with disabilities at the workplace. We had no prior knowledge of the amount of disabilities out there, so we did some research. 2 people volunteered to talk to us about their disabilities. At the end, we decided to focus our research on spina bifida.
Spina bifida is a disease in which your lower section is rendered unusable because of a spinal cord displacement. A main problem for people with spina bifida is that they're bound to a wheelchair and that they need to pick up items on the ground. Usually this is very hard because you're in a wheelchair, and the main solution to this problem is a grabber like the new generation grabber. It makes picking up items on the floor very easy. It's very lightweight, can be stored behind a wheelchair very easily, and has a light on it, picking up things in the dark.
The construction of the new generation grabber consisted mainly of the suction cups being screwed into the metal plating here, and that being screwed into a metal mop handle, which we recycled from an actual mop. And afterwards, I also screwed in this nice plastic handle with grips and taped on this nice flashlight, which can be used in the dark. The construction of this grabber and usage of it consists mainly of the center pull line going through and pulling down on these 2 suction cups.
We have been constantly testing the grabber to see if any flaws have somehow got incorporated into construction. We tried pulling the center line to see how strong it was. We tried duct tape, that wasn't strong enough, so we tried soldering. That seemed pretty strong. It lasted us for a while, so we stuck with soldering. We tried different heads to see which ones held, which ones would hold most objects. We tried a bike handle. We tried a magnet. Both those things weren't very useful, so we tried suction cups. The suction cups the suction cups did the job very well. They held more objects than our previous heads. So we stuck with the suction cups. We tried picking up different objects such as the USB port, tripod, staplers, and chalkboard erasers. So we're going to test it out right now.
Say someone was just walking by and precariously object, and they needed to pick up all the objects that fell on the floor. So they knocked that thing off the desk that rested on. They got their grabber out. You could pick up. Then it was all the stuff was in. The stapler fell out of the bin. Pick up eraser that was in the bin. Okay. And then you're done. And picked up everything, which is totally awesome. Safety was one of our biggest concerns. We created many grabbers, but most of them had problems, such as sharp edges on the head and pinch the user's hand while the user hold down the handle. The grabber is very safe because of the way the handle and the head is designed. It also has a flashlight for environmental safety while in the dark. It's safe for any age or disabilities the user may have. It takes little effort to use, but needs 2 hands to use it. Use the grabber. Unfortunately, Matt Fiore couldn't be here. We incorporated universal design into the construction of the grabber so that in the market it can be used for just about anybody.
The grabber can be used by smaller people and average adults, besides people with disabilities.
The new generation grabber is different from many grabbers because it has the unique handle. Its ability to be used in the dark, and it's lightweight.